How to apply chorus and flanger effects in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the Effects section under Audio Editing Tools and import the audio file you want to edit. Once the audio is loaded, scroll down and select the chorus effect. This effect will add richness and depth to your audio by slightly duplicating the sound and creating a layered, harmonious feel. You can preview the audio as the effect is applied to hear the improvement in real time. After that, select the flanger effect. The flanger effect creates a sweeping, whooshing sound by mixing the original audio with slightly delayed copy. Adjust any available settings if needed or simply preview the effect to hear the dynamic, swirling audio enhancement. Once satisfied with the applied effects, tap OK and then save to export your edited audio with chorus and flanger effects. Now you know how to apply chorus and flanger effects in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.